Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Done this analysis several times this past week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But first thing, I'm just going to do a little house cleaning, get rid of these lines. Sure, those levels pertain, but from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the downwards drift continues. So the first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that have been watching the past videos, I'm sure, hopefully you remember me talking about 655 as that support. And it did try to act as support this morning, but ultimately it failed. And then when it did fail, you can see, you could throw this right into a textbook, that area of support, then went to acting right there as the area of resistance. So if there is going to be any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, $6.55 is going to be that first key level to watch. If the price can get up through that level, then the next key level to watch would be that purple line right there, which on my chart denotes they're very well known, the very famous 50-period moving average, which is currently valued at $6.78. So those will be the levels of resistance to watch. As far as levels of support, now that we have more data, I'm going to go ahead and adjust this level slightly down. And it seems as though the more precise area is right there at $6.22. So near term wise, as far as where the buyers finally stepped in today, very clearly there at $6.22. If that level cannot quite hold up, then at that point, things, and I'm not saying the price is actually going to do this, but the chart does open up quite a bit as the next level of support wouldn't be until down around $5.70. So just to reiterate, I'm not saying that if this level fails, then the price is dropping straight down to that area. My core point is that looking at the history of things, there just simply isn't any other areas from the technical point of view that would represent an area of support. So things could, there could be that much more downside momentum that picks up at that point. But as of now, so far so good, 622 is holding strong. So we'll see what happens with this one next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.